All right, so I just went to the store, bought a fresh bread, but I want it to last long because when you guys can see, they have opening here. You cannot let air flow into bread or it's gonna mold faster and it's gonna get stale and hard. So we wanna keep that softness going. That's why, again, they're buying these bags right here. And these bags are reusable, which is great. Now inside, you can see like a Ziploc in there. Of course, they do have a grip, so you want to hold it down even stronger. And you could clip this anywhere. You could take it on the go, camping, take it with you on your trips. You could fill this up with not just bread, but you could fill up any kind of breaded items in here too to protect it. And it does have the insulation in here. If you guys can see that, it's like a silicone cover inside, and then on the outside it's kind of like polyester. So we are going to put our bread in here. It's going to keep it longer, fresher. Hopefully it's going to keep the same fluffiness on it. So another great option. Let's put our bread in here. So this is the large bread, and look at the bag. Pretty big. So it's going to fit perfectly. It could go sideways, down, up and down. You could even cut in half if you want. That's another option. Sealed, all right? You want to make sure it's sealed so you will get that. Get rid of any air circulating in there, and all you got to do is clip it on. That's pretty much it. That's all she wrote. If you want to lock it in even fresher, you can. All right, that's another option. But we're just going to keep as is because it's going to be here in our kitchen. And I could hang it somewhere like this. It's going to remind me of the breads right there. Perfectly sealed. We don't have to worry about bread air coming into the bread. I like it. So if you guys are looking for bread bags, these are perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.